Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, many of my learner ask me this particular question, sir, how do you keep updated yourself with the latest computer vision research? Because if you see my YouTube channel, actually I have created so many content related computer vision. Even so many projects also I implemented on top of the computer vision. So I get this particular question from my audience, like how I keep myself updated with the latest computer vision technology and how do I learn these are the things. Okay. So in this particular video, I'll share you some of my resources like I usually follow, personally I usually follow. And I want you to also follow that particular resources because from that resources, even I have learned a lot. And I expect actually you'll be also learning in your future. Because see, unless and until you are not exploring by yourself, things would be much complicated to you. So definitely if you're learning something, definitely you have to be a self-explorer always, okay? So let me share my screen and let me show you some of the amazing resources I usually follow to keep myself updated with the latest technology. So guys, the first resources I usually follow, I follow one amazing platform called Roboflow.com. So let me show you. So this is the Roboflow.com. So here actually you can perform any kinds of computer vision related task. Let's say you want to perform object detection. Easily you can perform the object detection here, okay, in this particular website. So here you will get all the data related object detection. You can also annotate your data. You can also train your model. You can also deploy your model. Everything is possible in this particular platform. So this Roboflow platform is having actually different product. So if you just click on the product, you will see different product it is having. The first product it is having the Universe. So what is Universe? Universe is nothing but it's a data platform. Let's say you need a data. Okay, you need a data set for your computer vision task. It can be, let's say, for object detection. It can be for, let's say, image segmentation. It can be for, let's say, image classification, then tracking. Any kinds of data set is available in this particular Universe platform. So no need to worry. I will also show you the Universe platform. What other data set actually you will get here. Then the second product it is having called Annotate. That means, let's say we know that inside computer vision, we have to annotate our data. Okay, let's say if I want to train a model, first of all, we have to annotate those data. So to annotate those data, what you can do, instead of installing any kinds of third-party tool, you can use this Roboflow platform to annotate your data. And annotation data is very much easy inside Roboflow platform. Only you just need to upload your data, select that particular annotation tool and try to annotate the data. Even I will also create a dedicated video on top of it, like how we can annotate our data, okay, with the top Roboflow platform, okay? Then you can also train your model, train your computer vision model. You can see, so here you will get something called hosted infrastructure. That means here you can also access the GPU based infrastructure. On top of this particular machine, you can train your model. So here you don't need to train your model actually manually in your system. Instead of that, you can take their server and there actually you can train your model. Then the next product you can see it is having something called workflow. So what is workflow? Workflow is nothing but it's a pipeline. Let's say if you want to train a model, if you want to create an application, so there actually you can follow some of the steps to build that particular application. Okay, this is called actually pipeline. Let's say you will upload your data. So automatically you can do the processing, then you can train your model, you can evaluate your model. You can also deploy that particular model, okay, to the platform itself. So everything can be done with the help of workflows. Then I already told you, you can also deploy your model there as an endpoint so that with the help of API or let's say any other services, you can access this model. Okay, this is the idea. So these are the amazing services actually this Roboflow provides. Even I explore these are the tool a lot because whenever I try to implement any kinds of product, any kinds of projects, so this platform helps me a lot. Okay, so here you can see they have already given one demo window. See, it is trying to detect all kinds of objects present in this particular frame. Even you can also try, you can launch up your web camera. Even you can also show the objects, it will try to detect. Even you can also upload the image, okay? Even you can also try with your mobile, okay? So many interface actually will get in this particular platform. So let me show you some of the amazing tool actually I usually use from the Roboflow. The first thing I usually use this Universe, okay? So let me show you this Universe. So Universe is nothing but it's a largest platform for the data sets. Okay, any kinds of computer vision data sets. So let me click on the export Universe. See, this is how your Universe looks like. And here, see, this is the data counts actually you are having. And you have all kinds of data for the object detection, classification, instance segmentation, key point detection, semantic segmentation. Any kinds of data are available, okay, in this particular platform. All you just need to search here. Let's say I need number, license plate. Okay, license plate data. I'll just search here. So it will give me license plate related data. Now you simply just click here, try to download it and use it in your project implementation. Even you can also directly connect this particular Roboflow platform with your Google Colab. So that with the help of that code snippet, you can directly download the data from the Universe itself. Okay. So in my YouTube channel, I already created some of the project with the help of Roboflow, you can export. So there actually I already showed you how you can get the data from the Roboflow platform itself. Fine. So this is one amazing actually tool I usually use if I want to implement any kinds of computer vision related projects, because finding data is a very hard task, and after finding actually annotating data is like very hard task, because all the images you have to annotate manually. And if you're using Roboflow universe, so all the data are annotated here. You don't need to annotate. These are the data. Okay, everything is annotated here already, and even you can download all kinds of format. But sometimes actually it is required to annotate your data. So that time actually we can use something called annotation tool from the Roboflow. So for this, I'll create a separate video how we can annotate your data. Okay, then I think this part would be more clear. Then the next actually tool I usually use from the Roboflow called Roboflow blogs. See, this is like very powerful website from the Roboflow site, because in this particular blog, blog.roboflow.com, here you will get actually all kinds of blog. Okay, all kinds of blog related computer vision task. Let's say whatever, let's say research is coming in the market right now. So let's say this is one of the research, like how to fine tune Florence 2 object detection task. So this is one of the new model actually came from Microsoft. So they already created one blog on top of it. So let me open it up. See, they have given this step by step like tutorial. Okay, how you can train on top of the custom data. Okay, what will be the code snippet, everything they have given. Okay, everything they have given. So by referring this particular blog, you can easily understand this particular new model. Okay, the new model, how you can operate this particular model, how you can train on top of your custom data. So amazing platform, guys, amazing platform. You can export if you want to keep yourself updated with the new computer vision related research. Fine. Not only this blog, you will get different blog. So you can see, so different blogs are available here. Even you can also search here any kinds of blog. Okay, it is also possible. If I click on the view all, see different blogs are available here. Fine. Great. Now there is another tool you can refer called this Roboflow docs. So inside Roboflow docs, actually you will be learning about like how to upload the data, how to create a projects. Okay, so that means how to use this particular Roboflow properly. All kinds of tutorial actually will get. Let's say if you want to annotate your data, you don't know how to use this particular tool. So everything they have given with the example as well. So you can explore from your end. I'll give the link in the description so that you can also open up and you can try. And if you want to learn about the implementation with the help of Roboflow, you can check out my YouTube channel. So there I already created one playlist called Computer Vision with Roboflow. So there I already showed you how we can use Roboflow platform to implement any kinds of computer vision related project. Fine. Now, apart from that, I usually follow another website called paperswithcode.com. So this is another amazing website, guys. So here you will get all the research paper related new research, as well as the GitHub. Okay, as well as the GitHub link. So let me show you. So this is the website, guys, and let's say, so here you can see these are very new research. Okay, the recent research was actually 22 August 2024, and it was Foundation for Human Vision Model. Okay, this is a human vision model, and this is the paper of that particular model. If you want to understand the architecture and all, you can open the paper, as well as the GitHub link is also available. Let's say the implementation. Let's say you want to implement with the code. So you can see this is the GitHub. So this is the implementation, and this research is from Meta AI. You can see Facebook research. Fine. And this is the paper. So if you can also open this particular paper. So I will click on the PDF. See, this is the paper. Okay. So this is another amazing website you can refer if you want to keep updated with yourself with the new research. Okay, inside computer vision. Not only computer vision, you can also like see the research from the NLP, machine learning, any kinds of research is available. You just need to search here. Let's say I need research related generative AI. So I'll just search here. Generative. Okay, generative AI. See, it will give me all the generative AI related research. Okay, amazing platform you can refer. So apart from that, guys, I usually try to follow like different website. Whatever actually I feel like, okay, this is useful for me, I usually follow the platform. Okay, to keep updated myself with the new technology. So I'll just try to also follow. These are the, let's say, platform. If you want to, let's say, learn about new research and all, and if you want to use them in your project implementation. Okay, that should be my recommendation. So yes, I hope you like this particular video, guys. If you liked it, so please try to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also get to know. And if you're interested learning computer vision, Gen AI, MLOps, end-to-end project implementation, okay, anything, you can subscribe to my channel, because in my YouTube channel, you will get all kinds of content. Okay. So with that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.